This is how you start a food forest. You'll need a weed whacker, compost in that bucket there, cardboard, and mulch. I'm going to be converting this area here right on the edge of my food forest, where I have a noni and a colocasia. If you don't already have a food forest and you're just starting from scratch, that's okay. The principle is the same. I had to put air in my tires. The cart's a lot easier to pull when there's air in the tires. Laying down the mulch is the hardest part for me. My mulch pile is 100 yards that way. I pull the cart manually for the exercise. Done. There we go. New section of the food forest. The next video will be day 2, when we actually plant something. Subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when we release that video.